Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use promo code on Airasia. That's the promotional code on Airasia. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Airasia account, which of course I've done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Airasia? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice, indicate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type airasia.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Airasia. Once you get in there, follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account, and after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Airasia. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to use promo code on Airasia. From this homepage, here's what you should do: set it to flight. So once you set the start to flight, here you're going to have to decide if it's one-way, round trip, or multi-city. And in here where you have guest, if you're just one person going with another address, click on the plus icon. And if you're going with a chat, click on the plus icon. If you go with infants, click on the plus icon and choose your travel class. I'm going to choose first class. The next thing is you're flying from, so add your location here and add your destination here and add your departure date. Now here we have promo code is where you're going to add your promo code. So add your promo code in here, and after adding your promo code in this box, go ahead and click on search. And that takes you right into this window. Let's say you forgot to add a promo code in the previous window. You can still come over to this window, and at the top corner of the screen, go ahead and click on promo code and add your promo code. But now you don't have a promo code yet, and you cannot really add a promo code from here. So it means you have to add a promo code in the previous window. So once you come in here, you're going to get amazing discounts using the promo code that you added. So, okay, promo code here. So it's enabled, right? So you can also add the promo code. So it means it was a network issue, right? It was a network lag. So you can add a promo code there, and you can add a promo code here. I'm sorry for the previous thing I stated. It was because of the network lag. So head over there. If you forgot to add the promo code there, you can add it here and go ahead and click on any flight that you choose, search the flight, and proceed to make payment. So this is pretty much how you can add a promo code on Airasia. Now you can go back to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.